Okay, this is an official update. If mapapanood ko, Brother Earth, this is what happened to your cabinet. Kasalanan mo to. Tignan mo ang worst na. Ang worst itong kay Beck, pero super worst nung sa'yo. Like, as in sirang-sira yung sa baba. We have to evacuate quickly. Pero hindi naman sila sa taas sa'yo. Sure, evacuate all the things quickly. It's super sad. Inanay siya as in. Like, yuck. Yan. Super bilis. Okay, then this is the series. What happened to your clothes? To your things? Wala akong ginalaw sa things mo kasi ang babaho nila. Nakakadiri. And that's the update. And that's your mother.
Love you.